Messy molds, stubborn wax, dried up concrete, we've all been there. But don't worry, today we're showing you the best ways to clean your silicone molds, containers, and workspace. Let's bring your tools back to life. Let's start with cleaning the silicone molds. Turn the mold inside out before washing. Gently tap the mold to remove any material. Fill a basin with warm water at around 70 C. Add mild neutral detergent and soak the molds for about 20 minutes. Use a soft sponge or cloth to clean the molds. Avoid hard brushes or metal tools that could scratch the silicone. Thoroughly rinse the molds with warm water to remove any residue. After washing, completely dry the molds with a cloth or let it air dry. Now, let's clean the containers. The ideal container for concrete, cement, or Jesmonite mixtures is a silicone measuring cup. After use, rinse the cup with clean water. Then, use neutral detergent and a sponge to remove any color stains before rinsing thoroughly. For the wax melting pots, you could use a heat gun to melt the leftover wax and wipe it away with a paper towel. You could also soak the pot in 70 C water to soften the wax. Then, clean with detergent and a sponge before rinsing thoroughly with water. Next, let's clean the workspace. Use a scraper to remove any residue on the surface. Scrub the surface with a sponge and mild detergent. Wipe everything down again with a clean, damp cloth. To keep your silicone molds in great condition, follow these tips. Avoid stacking molds on top of each other, as this can lead to deformation over time. Store silicone molds in a dry, well-ventilated area away from direct sunlight. With these simple steps, your molds and tools will stay in top shape and ready for your next masterpiece. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share with fellow makers.